Hi guys, today I have a name tag for you guys, but make sure to like and comment to me if you want your name here. These tags, I have 4 of them. They have different colors, so make sure to comment to me if you want your name here, or like, and also comment so I know your name. Comment down below here to make sure your name is here. These tags. Bye bye. Make sure before we out this video, you can buy this in a market shop. Anything where you can buy this thing if you're in video.